ASPT 3.1 is all about ions, and there are 6 key points to the objective. So first, they need to be able to identify which subatomic particle changes when I create ions, being able to create Bohr models of ions from an atom Bohr model, explain why an atom changes to an ion, explain how an atom is affected when it changes to an ion, explain the difference between cations and anions, and writing ionic symbols using information from Bohr models. Now, suggested activities are create an ion, which is a simulation, going back to kind of the building atom simulation, and start looking at a very basic kind of idea of what ions are. What's an ion is kind of a step-by-step tutorial on how to go from an atom to an ion and the rules, and then practicing. So this is your application, is the whiteboard drawing practice, being able to sit down and going from atoms to ions and creating those and identifying and also writing ionic symbols. Big idea questions are as follows. What subatomic particle changes to create an ion? Why does this occur? What properties change when creating an ion, which is identity, stability, mass, and charge? What is the difference between a cation and an anion? How is each created? And can you make an ionic symbol? And then the last two that are highlighted, and what groups of elements can make both cations and anions and why? And what group of elements cannot make an ion and why? Now, the last two questions are things that you won't be assessed on, but definitely are questions that will be hit in a later objective, specifically 5.1 and the trends of the periodic table. So this is a big objective, but not too complicated. You just need to be able to, one, understand the rules, and then two, be able to practice. And it shouldn't be too difficult for a lot of you. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.